Bitcoin at $199,000? That's not just a dream. It's Citi's bullish forecast for the end of this year. Sounds crazy? Maybe, but here's what they're seeing and why the market might just be aligning with that vision. According to a recent forecast from Citibank, Bitcoin could reach a baseline price of $135,000 by the end of 2025, and even $199,000 in a bullish case. Their analysis points to a few key factors. Number one, ETF adoption and growing institutional demand. Number two, a scarcity post-halving, which has historically triggered bull runs. Number three, the rising global interest in digital assets as an inflation hedge. Number four, anticipation of clearer regulatory frameworks. This isn't the first time Citi has published bold forecasts. In 2021, they mentioned a $300,000 possibility, though the market didn't fully realize that potential back then. But now, with the Bitcoin ETF era in full swing, their predictions feel more grounded in data than ever. Market momentum, increased liquidity, and the maturing infrastructure around the Bitcoin are creating a more stable, yet still explosive, environment for price growth. Citi's report is rooted in both on-chain data and macroeconomic trend modeling. Their assumptions mirror findings in recent IMF papers on digital assets' role in future monetary systems, as well as MIT research on crypto volatility versus tech stocks. These institutional perspectives strengthen the credibility of the forecast, even if the market remains unpredictable. This forecast isn't overly optimistic or unrealistic. It actually reflects the trajectory Bitcoin is currently on. We're still early and the journey is far from over. What's key now is regulatory clarity across more countries and the continued inflow of capital from institutional investors. These are long-term drivers that could truly shape Bitcoin's future. Is this sustainable? Maybe not in a straight line. There will be ups and downs, but long-term, it looks solid. This isn't just hype or a bubble. It's a shifting financial reality. Of course, expansionary monetary policy or rising interest rates could slow things down. Governments trying to regulate long-term crypto holdings could also create a friction. But even with those challenges, the bigger picture remains bullish. So what are we really looking at here? A bold forecast from a major bank, backed by real data, strong trends, and a growing institutional momentum. $135,000 as a base and a $199,000 as a stretch isn't guaranteed, but it's no longer science fiction. What do you think? Is Citi's Bitcoin forecast realistic or just another hype wave? And where do you see BTC by the end of 2025? Drop your prediction in the comments. Let's see who gets it right. If this kind of deep financial breakdown helps you stay ahead in crypto and global markets, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next update. There's a lot more coming your way.